Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost expectation interest you? For the vast majority, the solution to this question will be yes, since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a great deal of prevalence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a mogul by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars elon or not. The historical backdrop of image coins. Image coins are digital forms of money aligned with specific topics, frequently humor and fun instead of specialized items and administrations. It very well may be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars elon coin are neither focused on innovation nor absent any and all essentials. Image coins don't serve true use and have no down-to-earth utility like other digital currencies. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are portrayed by low worth and high course. The majority of the Dogelon Mars elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a negligible portion of pennies. In view of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named Dogecoin. It is a digital currency with the topic Doge image. Kabasu canine in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital currencies. However, the ubiquity of Dogelon Mars elon has in the end expanded. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu are the most famous among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no legitimate consuming timetable and instrument for Dogelon Mars elon, so for $1 you can buy a great many Dogelon Mars elon. Dogelon Mars, the street ahead. Most recent news reports out from the Digital Money Market Manifest. Earlier year as well as 2022 may be a great time for Dogelon Mars elon tokens. Dogecoin and Dogelon Mars have thrived for this present year. After the exploded of Dogecoin, it was an obvious indicator that the digital money market is broadly tolerating Dogelon Mars coin. Individuals began money management. Later, Shiba Inu went into the 10 greatest digital currency list. From that point onward, markets saw a development in the posting of FLOKI Inu, Safe Mars, Dogelon Mars, Akita Inu, Samoid Coin SAMU, Kishu Inu. A large portion of them have a similar example, however they are from various networks. Squid Game is a token made that is enlivened by the Netflix show Squid Game. It flooded in one day, and some other time when the designers had the floor covering pulled the following day. Costs plunged to almost 100%. Crypto holders who hold Squid couldn't sell the token. Such a circumstance can occur whenever. The other insane element of image coins is that they will give profoundly beneficial returns and make their financial backers tycoons short-term. In an overview led by Kerbako, a digital money research organization, in regards to the acquisition of new digital currencies, 91% of the 1,000 members have bought tokens. Dogelon Mars specialized examination. The flightiness of Dogelon Mars elon cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the digital currency market. Consequently, giving an exact Dogelon Mars cost gauge is very troublesome. Authentic information of elon cost shows the passage Dogelon Mars cost was around $0. Soon after posting, the elon cost has moved to $0. However, later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars elon cost beat the cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Constantly 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars elon cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the primary day of the month. Likened to our expectation, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars elon is around $0. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0, with a complete market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The coursing supply is 552-955-726-479-823 elon, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars specialized examination shows that the elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0, wound up at $0, which was the greatest cost of the token, 29th. 30th. The 31st of October 2021 has framed the most elevated flame with the gigantic backing of volume. In the span of 3 days, elon cost has moved from $0 by tremendous volume. In something like a month, a small bunch return for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then bears began pulling back the ELON cost, which made a dive to $0. As of now, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive patterns sooner rather than later. The long cost took support at $0. The ongoing cost is gradually bobbing from this level, yet assuming Dogelon Mars cost today neglect to keep forcing current move, it is normal to take the following help at $0. Any fall underneath this will be a sell Dogelon Mars signal, and most help levels set at $0. The significant help is set at $0. On the upper side, the closest opposition is put at $0. ELON value needs to break the level to test $0. As indicated by our investigation and conjecture, if Dogelon Mars can cross the obstruction level, forceful dealers can purchase Dogelon Mars and hold it till it tests its significant opposition at $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2022. Dogelon Mars expectation predicts a most extreme cost of Dogelon Mars of $0 the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0. The Dogelon Mars cost forecast 2022 recommends the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise. Dogelon Mars coin forecast 2023. In view of the drawn-out examination and information, the Dogelon Mars cost expectation begins at $0. The most extreme Dogelon Mars cost estimate for 2023 is $0. The typical cost is $0. Our Dogelon Mars ELON value expectation ought not be considered as a speculation exhortation to purchase Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars coin value forecast 2024. As indicated by Dogelon Mars cost expectation, the cost of Dogelon Mars starts at $0. The typical cost of ELON could reach $0. Value expectations predict ELON needs to arrive at an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2025. Elon value expectations are expected to begin at $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a greatest cost of $0, a future cost of $0 the finish of 2025. This cost is high contrasted with the ongoing level. Consequently, the ELON cost expectation shows Dogelon Mars is impressive for venture north of a 5-year time span. Dogelon Mars conjecture 2026 and then some. The ELON cost expectations predict starting at $0, and an inevitable increment is normal for what's to come. Dogelon Mars has a lot of hazard in view of its inflationary nature, according to the past information. Just digital money enthusiasts can play with the image coin for the present moment. Any other way, you can contribute and pause, however you can't rest assured about the profits. As indicated by Dogelon Mars cost forecast 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0. It is a sort of karma on the grounds that the Dogelon Mars value developments are driven basically by virtual entertainment, publicity, jokes from networks, and related declarations. History shows that image tokens gets back to their financial backers, and the Dogelon Mars expectation for what's to come is bullish. Dogelon Mars cost expectation for 2030 predict Dogelon Mars ELON cost will reach $0. It will be a productive speculation. Further, according to our ELON coin cost expectation 2030,